Hi there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Happy Friday. Welcome to the giveaway post for my 12 Days of Elfmas series. If you missed it, starting December 13th, I posted a video every day through Christmas Eve. And in those videos, you were to keep track of a word of the day and answer a question of the day in the comments. So here is how the giveaways are going to work. First of all, there will be 12 daily winners. So I will take the video URL, I will put it into a random generator, and it'll generate a random comment. And that person will be the winner for that day. I will reply to your comment, and you will have 48 hours to reach out to me with your mailing or shipping address. This is open internationally, so even if you're international, I will still send you whatever the prize is for that day. The prizes are going to be a secret because I haven't picked them yet. But there will be 12 different winners for the 12 days of Elfmas. For the grand prize, I went back and forth a little bit. At first I thought, I'll do this big old box and I'll put in a ton of new stamp sets and papers and glues and stuff like that. But then I decided against that because I don't want to send you stuff you may or may not use. It's different if you're getting one little trinket in the mail as a small prize. It's different when we're talking about a huge grand prize for such a huge video series. So I decided against that, and I thought, let me do gift cards to like Simon Says Stamp or scrapbookpal.com or scrapbook.com or wherever you wanted this gift card to be. And I decided against that as well. So the grand prize for this giveaway is $100. It can be a $100 gift card to anywhere you want it to be. It can be $100 sent to your Cash App, your PayPal, your Venmo, or Apple Pay, or Zelle, whatever. Times have been so hard on so many people. And here in the US, we just got most people are getting their $600 stimulus check. But I know so many of you and so many of us, I'm going to include me in this, have really struggled through 2020. And I don't even know if I'm explaining this correctly. If it were me, if roles were reversed and I had an opportunity to win something worth $100 and I needed money for my electric bill, or I needed money for gas, or I needed to pick up some diapers or groceries or something like that, I would much rather that $100 go to something that I needed rather than to something that is a hobby and a want, not a need. So that's why I've decided to do it this way. Again, this is open internationally, so I will get you the money any way that I can, depending on who's the winner. Okay, so to enter the grand prize giveaway, you've had to keep track of all 12 words. You've had to answer every single question, so you've had to comment it on all 12 videos. You have to comment on this video and say, enter me. That's all you have to say. Either enter me or enter me in this contest or, whatever you want to do. Something, it can be as simple as enter me. You're going to have until 11:59 Central Time, 11:59 p.m. Central Time on January the 10th, which is Sunday, to leave your comment. Once that time hits, the giveaway will close, and I will do this giveaway the exact same way that I've done the other giveaways, where I'm going to put this URL into a random generator, and I will pick a comment. When you respond to my reply, you need to send me all 12 words in order, and then I will verify that you have commented on every single video. If you've done that and I can verify that you've completed what I've asked you to do, then we can decide how I will get you your money. For this, you're going to have 72 hours to respond rather than 48 hours. I will do my best to announce the winners not only on my community page, but on my Facebook page and my Facebook group, and on Instagram. So I'm going to try to put it on all of my social medias so you don't miss out. So once again, if you want to enter the grand prize giveaway, you have to comment on this video, enter me, or enter me in the giveaway, or please pick me, whatever you want to say. And when I respond to you, you have to give me all 12 words in order, and I have to verify that you have commented on all 12 videos. You have until January the 10th at 11:59 p.m. Central Time to leave your comment on this video. So if you're someone who's just finding this video, you have time to go back and watch all 12 videos and to comment, and if you want to, right? So you have until 11:59 p.m. Central Time on January the 10th to leave your comment on this video. If you do not comment on this video, then you won't be entered into the grand prize. If you haven't kept track of the words, you will not win. If you have not commented on all 12 videos, you will not win. And again, the grand prize is $100, either a $100 gift card, a gift card to wherever you need it, or it can be $100 cash. It's going to be completely up to the winner. You'll have 72 hours to respond for the grand prize winner, 48 hours to respond on the daily winners. So I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, you can leave me a comment down below. I'm not going to respond to comments on this video because I don't want my comment to be selected via the random generator, okay? So it just pulls all of the comments, not just, just the ones that aren't the creator. So yeah. Thank you so much for your support in 2020. I really do appreciate you. As I mentioned in my Word of the Year video, I really want to focus more on building relationships and engagement with you. And one of those ways is going to be to continue doing giveaways. And also, if you missed yesterday's video, I mentioned that I want to showcase smaller craft companies. So if you have someone in mind, make sure you respond on that video so I can check them out. But other than that, I hope you have a fantastic weekend. I will see you Monday for another card, and we'll just keep on trucking. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.